if you run the Python commands with the -- help option, you will see a lot of information regarding a series of switches that the commands expects or can work with. For example, -X, -X, -W, -V, -U, -S, etc, etc, etc. Now, there's 4 of them that I use quite often, and I'll share them with you. And so the first one is going to be -C. So -C runs some Python code for you. For example, you can type in here, say, the range of 10, and you can check if, I don't know, 13 is in the range of 10. Now the thing is, when you run code with the -C command, this does not print the results automatically. Sorry. This doesn't print the results automatically, so if you want some results to get printed, you need to use the print statement, the print function. Yeah, so that's Python -C. Now, another one that I use quite often is -I. And -I lets you run something, and then after you're done running whatever you typed in here, you get to inspect interactively the state of things when the script is over. So let's see if I can create a very simple script for you to show how this works. So for example, I have this, let me open it to show you. I have this weird script around because of some things I was playing around with. It looks weird. Just focus on the fact that it defines a couple of functions, right? Now, if I type in Python -I and then the path to that script, which is going to be example.py, this is the result of running that script. It printed this list, and now I have access to the functions that were in that file. So for example, add is this lambda, or I have, for example, EQV. So this is very useful to inspect the state of a script after you're done with it, after it's finished running. Now, another one that I like is the Q switch, and it just opens the interpreter but without printing all of the copyright information and the platform you're running on, etc. So to compare, let me run Python just like that. So this prints a bunch of things, and with the Q switch, that's going to stand for quiet. It's not going to print all of that. And finally, the other switch I use quite often is the M switch, Python M, which lets you run modules as scripts. So for example, if I type in Python -M calendar 2022 and then say 11 for the month of November, I'm going to get a calendar for that month. So this is running this module from the standard library directly as a script. And what this does is it's going to run so in your module, it's going to run the piece of code that's inside your if name equals main. So that's the piece of code that's being run when your module runs as a script with this switch. So these are 4 useful Python command line switches, and yeah, just let me know if you use any others often, because I'll be interested in knowing that. Bye.